You guys want to look at what 20 years, 19 years of never cleaning a truck or a vehicle out with a smoker inside of it. Look at that plastic shroud where the seatbelt is hanging. Watch this. Watch when I hit it. "20 years of nicotine, tar, smoke just running and dribbling down." I really should be wearing some gloves, which I think I will do here in a minute, but watch when I wipe this. Look at the difference between the side I just wiped versus there. Look at the nicotine rubbing or running down the side walls of these little plastic shrouds. Folks, am I going to get 100% smoke odor removal out of this truck? Nope, wouldn't even guarantee it. But man, that is the nastiest. Look at this stuff right here. Let me hit it again. Look at the tar here, the nicotine. I know there's a speaker there. It doesn't matter. This truck is trashed. Hopefully the light. Look at the nicotine running and the tar running down that panel. Folks, I love you, but this is the real world of auto detailing.